Today I'm going to see if I can restore some shine to weathered plastic with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have my Buick Encore out here and it's got a lot of plastic all over it, and I picked this up. It's MEGUIAR'S Ultimate Black Plastic Restore. As you can see there, it says before and after. It's all gray faded, sun faded, and then it's supposed to return it to that silky, creamy black, as well as protect it, maybe give it a little UV protection. What I've noticed here is it kind of looks like suntan lotion. It's like kind of this creamy white lotion. Now, I was just reading the instructions here. It says to apply to a cloth and then kind of wipe it on and then use another cloth to wipe it off. Now, I have plastic all over here and I want to show you where it is looking really rough. So right up here at the top is where I'm getting kind of these zebra stripes. That's not an optical illusion. It's kind of where it is drying and cracking and spreading a little bit. And I've got those all along this upper piece of plastic here. And then if we go to the front of the car here, this tray down here at the bottom of the windshield is looking not black at all. It's not even really gray. It is like this faded white because it is really beaten by the sun, it looks like. So I could definitely put it on there. Even the plastic trim around the windows, these types of things, I think they're pretty nasty. And then down below here, the body cladding, while it doesn't really scream like it's in bad shape, that's plastic all the way around. So I've got a lot of this car that is plastic. So I thought I would try it out and see if we can make an improvement. But up here and the windshield is where I'm really curious to see if that's going to help with the looks and add a little protection as well. So let's get to it. So I have smeared some of the MEGUIAR'S Plastic Restore into this microfiber towel here, and we will just start applying it up here. And well, I'll tell you what, it makes it look darker right away. And I guess I have to wipe it off, but I don't really see those little zebra stripes that I had anymore. I mean, it's definitely taking it from a light gray look to a gray look. You know, I don't think this was perfectly black to begin with, but man, oh man, looks so much better already. Like right here, we've got those stripes, and man, holy smokes, it's kind of shiny and new. And up here, man, I think it just gets beaten by the sun, and these dark colors get really hot and they just bake, because I'm touching it right now and it even feels hot to the touch. But man, oh, that does look good. All right, I'm gonna put a little more and try it up here. Now we'll try it on the most baked area here. And as you can see, like I said, it's kind of white. And wow, I don't know, it's just kind of satisfying to put this on. I feel like the plastic is soaking it up. I know it's just going on the surface, but I mean, you're just wiping it on and I don't know, man, look at that. Look at it over here versus that. I even feel like I could do another coat of this, let that soak in. I mean, I'll tell you, man, that looks like new plastic. I'm actually really impressed with that because that looked pretty bad. I was actually thinking of getting a new part right here and just taking this old one out, but no, I ain't gonna do that now because I just saved it with some MEGUIAR'S Ultimate Black. So I'm definitely gonna use this on the rest of the plastic here because I am super impressed with it. If you wanna pick up a bottle of this, I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
I'm gonna see if I can restore some shine to